Well, hey guys, how's she going today? We're out here in the shop having a good old time, having a pint of beer. I've been moving snow all day on the Kubota tractor. But aside from the snow and the Kubota tractor, you guys know that I like to repair, minor repair on computers. I can do cell phones, I can do flat screen TVs. I can help you with a lot of your needs, but in this particular case, this person has brought me a laptop computer and said that it's having some issues loading, so we're going to take a look at it. And yes, I'm out in the shop. I like to do all my work out in the shop. It's a little quieter in the shop, away from the kids and stuff, so it gives me a little peace of mind out here. So we're going to take a look at this laptop. It's pretty easy. We just got to get into the system, the operating system, and see what's going on with it. This person mentioned that, I don't know why I want to fix the computer because, it's depressing social media. Every time you turn it on, it's COVID, COVID, COVID. And I said, I could fix that for you. I could solve your problem so you don't have to turn on the computer and worry about COVID anymore and whatnot. But anyways, I said, let me take care of the problem. I'll have your computer fixed up in no time at all. You'll never have an issue with it again. You'll never have to worry about seeing hateful posts or COVID posts or anything like that. So anyways, let me get this set up so you guys can see really well what's going on here. And we'll go from there. So this is what the computer's telling us right now. So is what you want to do when it says this is you want to go into Control Alt and Delete, and it's going to do its thing. While it's doing that, you're going to keep pressing F2, and that's going to get you into the operating system like so. So you're just going to bring over to a boot here. You have legacy mode here. You can click on legacy. Whoops, let me bring it over. Legacy. And we're going to actually go to UEFI to reboot. That really has a big deal in how it starts the whole system. Let me have a little swig of the old Laker ice tonight. Alright, so is what you want to do from there is you just want to click on that and you want to say okay, and then you want to bring it over and you want to exit that and save the configuration changes like that. And your computer's going to go through its thing. It's slowly going to start to reboot. And it says no bootable device. So, is what you want to do then is you want to hit Control Alt Delete again. And, okay. Let me see here. I get into here like this. Okay, we have to power it back off and then back on. And, okay, we're going to have to let this power back on, and we're going to install a bootable device. So you want to close it up like so. Now, is what I usually like to do is I like to set it kind of in an area like so. And it's very important that you line it up properly, because once you install the hardware, or sorry, once you install the bootable device and start loading the software into it, I gotta have glasses on. It's always about safety. And okay, so is what you want to do here is you want to set that kind of like this. Sometimes it's better if you, I'm just moving stuff around the shop here, guys. So you want to open the computer like this so it can accept the bootable device. And, okay, now that we've got the bootable device all set, there we go. She's all fixed now. She's never going to have a problem with social media. Ever again. Okay. 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 I can get the glasses off. Okay. Oh, yeah. I can see what's wrong with it now. Yeah, that's what's wrong with it right there. Now, so let me get it back up. Parts flying everywhere here. Jesus. Fuck, they don't build them like they used to. All right. So I think it's safe to say that's spare parts. I don't even need that. Now we'll fire her back up here. All right. Okay. So I think it's safe to say that we'll never have an issue with this one ever again. I think we've got the problem all under control. And yeah, we won't see any more COVID postings. We won't see any more negative postings on Facebook. We won't see any of that stuff anymore. So this is considered fixed, free of charge. So if you were watching me repair your computer, this one was on the house. So feel free, guys. Anybody that wants to send in your electronics, I'll gladly take care of it for you. Peace out, and have an awesome day.